Welcome to a brief overview of THRASS. I hope all of our new parents find it a helpful resource. What is THRASS? THRASS stands for Teaching, Handwriting, Reading and Spelling Skills. THRASS teaches the letters, speech sounds and spelling choices of English. These skills are taught, developed and reinforced as part of the reading and writing requirements in the English syllabus. THRASS focuses on knowledge of the alphabet and the naming of the lowercase letters and their capitals. The alphabet as a resource from which letters are selected to represent the sounds of spoken English. Becoming familiar with the correct terms from the beginning and used in everyday activities. Letter, name, lowercase, capital, phoneme, graph, digraph, trigraph, quadgraph, word. Handwriting skills are used to reinforce the correct formation and direction that is needed. We tend to focus on the New South Wales font formation for lowercase and capitals. THRASS also focuses on awareness of the 44 phonemes of the spoken English. An awareness of graphs, digraphs, trigraphs and quadgraphs. Some phonic programs teach the beginner learner that one letter equals one phoneme. For example, this is an A and A is for ant, and so on through the alphabet. This is called one letter makes one sound method. This method introduces only 23 of the 44 phonemes. In THRASS, we use a picture chart that represents each phoneme in a separate box. There are two charts that we display in the classrooms. One is a consonant chart and the other is a vowel chart. We refer to the wall charts when teaching with small groups or whole class activities. The students also have their own individual chart that they flip over for either consonant or vowel phonemes. In the first term of kindergarten, our goal is for the students to engage in daily activities where they become familiar with the pictures and phonemes on the THRASS chart. They know all the letter names of the alphabet. They begin using some graphs and digraphs to form simple words and sentences. And they will become familiar with reading and finding the correct match of picture to phoneme. An example would sound like this: C for cat, A for ant, T for tap, and then we run it together and say cat. Here are some definitions that might help you when you're talking about different words with your child. Graph, one letter representing one phoneme, for example, D for dog. Digraph stands for two letters, ch for chair. Trigraph represents three letters, for example, I as in light. Quadgraph, four letters, A as in 8. Phoneme just means a speech sound. And letter names are the names that we give to identify the letters of the alphabet. I hope you've enjoyed this brief video and I do hope that it is useful to you. Thanks for listening.